In winter, your house is warm. In summer, it's cool. There's a pleasant feel to your house all year round. The TermoHome company manufactures thermal panels that provide high-quality thermal protection and guarantee durability.
Фасадна термопанель – це якраз
A facade thermal panel combines both necessary thermal protection with aesthetic appearance. It is an innovative solution for energy-efficient buildings and homes. It reduces both heating and cooling costs, while providing a pleasing appearance. TermoHome thermal panels have many design options. Variety is almost limitless with natural colors and textures, which will smoothly integrate with any house and its surrounding landscape.
наша продукція проходить виробничі.
Our products undergo strict quality control. We are a licensed manufacturer and hold ourselves to the highest standards. We have customers in the USA, Canada, Britain, and the EU, where we meet their standards. TermoHome is the only company in Ukraine that produces molded thermal panels. Thanks to this molded technology, fit is guaranteed, and the desired look is maintained throughout the project.
Термопанель складається з теплоізоляційного шару.
A thermal panel consists of a polystyrene insulating layer, density of 35 grams per square meter, and the decorative layer uses clinker and ceramic granite. Polystyrene is safe and is also used for food packaging. Polystyrene has no odor, is long-lasting, durable, and does not encourage microbial growth. The TermoHome company offers a full range of services, including design, thermal analysis, and aesthetic considerations, as well as non-standard construction solutions. Experienced thermal panel installers do the job to your satisfaction. The main advantage of thermal panels is ease of installation. Thanks to the tunnel groove connection, the panels fit together like a puzzle, and the presence of a 3/4-inch lock eliminates the possibility of cold breaches. Large houses can be completely insulated in 2 to 3 weeks. Clinker surface tiles are characterized by low water absorption and high mechanical strength, as well as resistance to temperature changes. They retain their physical characteristics at temperatures from -50 to +70 degrees Celsius. They are resistant to hail, snow, and rain. Facade thermal panels provide reliable protection from heat and cold. The panels correspond to 1-meter thick brick wall, yet weigh only 12 kilograms per square meter. This reduces the load on the structure, simplifies handling and installation. Our company has been operating for more than 15 years and has produced over 1 million square meters of panels with hundreds of satisfied customers. Contact us for a consultation on how our products can meet both your thermal and aesthetic requirements.